Hello, my name is Sarah Valentine and I am an accent and dialect coach, and today I'm going to be looking at a video of people from around the world trying the American accent.
My God, Chandler Bing!
Okay, that was very southern. That did not sound very American, but well, yeah, it did sound American, but slightly southern, you know, like she was trying to do that. A lot of people, what they tend to do is when they think that they're doing a standard American accent, they start to talk like they're from the South. But we shall see what these people say.
Since my husband is from Michigan, I decided I would do a Midwestern accent. Last time I went out with Brad, he spilled Faygo and Better Made chips all over me at the Tigers game.
Well, I'm sorry, but Joey from Ireland, his accent's actually very good. I like it. It's good. Timothy from New Zealand.
My name's Tim. You can call me Mitt. It's backwards for Tim.
In Minnesota, you know, all those people up there, I love hockey, man. And I was like, oh yeah, I love hockey too. I love me.
So our chappie there from Mexico, he kind of is jumping into Canada a little bit with the way that he says, hang on, where's he gone?
And all those people up there.
You know, that's very Canadian, you know. So American would be like, you know, but he's, you know.
Up there, I love hockey, man.
I love hockey, but, you know, obviously he's got that Spanish lilt.
And I was like, oh yeah, I love.
Oh yeah. No American would say, oh yeah. Definitely that would be a Canadian.
Hockey too. I love me some good Wisconsin cheese.
Hello there.
Wisconsin. Oh dear. Oh, Charlie from the UK. What have you got, Charlie?
I'm from America, and I say words like,
I'm from America. No, you're not, Charlie. It's America.
words like aluminum and spell color without the U.
I literally love bacon. Bacon is love. Bacon is everything.
Okay.
That's not bad. From Miss South Africa.
Okay, so let's go back home to New York. You like it over?
Oh, bless Amit from Israel. No. New York, you're not, you know, like New York are kind of sitting in a totally different part of America. So, no.
Over here, Brooklyn is in the house.
Brooklyn in the house. Oh, no, I'm sorry. It would be Brooklyn in the house. Because, yeah, if you're on a different part of America, like on the other coast.
So the last time I was in New York, I was with a friend of mine called Joe. You know, he looked at me and said, "You f*** my wife."
Language there, Samed.
God, that was really, really bad.
It's not bad. It wasn't terrible. It wasn't terrible. I've heard worse. Okay, Sarah from the UK.
Forget about it. All right.
Forget about it. So she's trying to be like a little bit New York, but
Already. Hey, get out of here.
Let's go to the store to get some coffee. I would like a Dunkin' Donut.
How you?
Oh, what was her name? I like Maya from Israel. So I would like to have a Dunkin' Donut. Would be more precise.
I would like a Dunkin' Donut.
How you doing? My name is Mike. I'm from Jersey. You wanna go over to Manhattan? Maybe get a slice, some coffee? I don't know.
A little bit over the top, but actually okay.
Forget about it. Hey, I'm walking here.
Hey, I'm walking here.
I think my favorite American accent to do is the Southern accent, just because I like the way that they talk and the way they pronunciate the words.
To me,
that Southern accent, I really did like that. That was not bad at all.
the Southern accent sounds like this. I am gonna chew tobacco all night long.
That was not bad. I want to chew tobacco all night long.
Say to my tails, jump on the horse, cowboy, and do your best.
Hey there, ma'am. You all seem a little bit lost, and I thought that I could come and help.
Hey, y'all. I'm from Alabama.
Hey, y'all. I'm from Alabama. Well, LaVon, you have totally got that accent happening right now.
I live with my grandma and my dog. My dog. I can't not do a New York accent.
So I'm going to do kind of...
That was very good, but how would she say? Not my daughter. I got to think about it too now. So I'm in the South, and I'm going to say, this is my daughter. Oh my God, now I can't do it either. That's so crazy. I'll move on.
And your eyebrows are like on fleek. Is that the word? Like, oh my god, that's so fleek. It's like making fetch happen. He was just
On fleek. Like, I love that. That's a word that I should be using. I think that she's trying to be Valley Girl.
That's so fleek. It's like making fetch happen.
He was just really hot and like, I don't know, whatever. Like, we just hooked up. What's the big deal?
Josh is
Well, Tanya from Australia, that was not bad at all.
Whatever. Like, we just
Whatever. Totally okay.
hooked up. What's the big deal?
Josh is my surfer boyfriend. Totally hot, six-pack abs. But like Josh, he's like so poor, doesn't have any
No.
money. Like Josh, get your act together, buy me some presents, yo.
It's those.
Like, Josh, get your act together, buy me some presents, yo. Like, there needs to be a lot more R happening in that video. Jack, let's see what we got.
Small things in our lives that keep us rolling and keep us going. So we gotta learn how to appreciate those things, right?
Well, he sounded like he was a little bit from the South. I mean, it wasn't bad.
Most of the content we watch, that's films and sitcoms, are American. This is just how we think you guys talk. So no hard feelings and peace out. When I think of the Midwest, I think of tornadoes and a big dust bowl and people doing absolutely nothing at all. Every single Indian who goes down to America and then comes back talking like this. So yeah. Best of luck to you guys.
Well, there you go. That was that video. I hope you've liked it. And if you would like to learn how to speak with an American accent, you can hit me up at actorsaccentcoach.com. Have a nice day.